Turning your engine 1N451. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice, same as well like altimeter. And on this side, engines without any damage. Starter not broken, as you can see. We can sell at the gearbox, everything's good. And on this side, you don't see any damage. Engine's turbo in good conditions, as you can see. Turbo turn, not going up and down. And on the top, all connectors look nice. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning the engine 1N451.